So we're going to play the track a target game to practice nice, slow, and controlled sit to stands using the leg tutor. So I'm going to have you do 1 rep for me. So squat all the way down, let your bum touch the chair, and then all the way up, back nice and tall. Hit next. And before we get into playing, I'm going to adjust a few settings. Okay, so I know I want to go a little bit quicker. I'm going to be nice and I'll let you have to hold it too long. And we'll make the path size just a little bigger. So your idea, your target is to keep that red ball right in the yellow path. Good, and then squat down. Good, and all the way back up.